Dusty signs say open, but the lot's half grass, half mud. Cooler full of grape soda's tip jar, jar full of dud plugs. You roll up in flip-flops, sunburn, grinning like a kid with a plan. Ask me for a list so long it barely fits inside this stain. You want black cats, Roman candles, screaming whatever's all that wild. Lady fingers, buzz bottles, every boom since you were a child. But I got two sparklers and a fountain shaped like a duck. So if that ain't freedom in a bag, you might be fresh out of luck, oh yeah. You say Snicker bombs, church burners, finger blasters, gut busters too. Zippity something, crab flappers, I'm just staring right back at you. Got a box of almost awesome, buy one, cry once, that's the deal. This ain't the showroom of the skies, just a shed with country steel. Yeah, you want black cats, Roman candles, screaming whatever's all that wild. Lady fingers, buzz bottles, every boom since you were a child. But I got two sparklers and a fountain shaped like a duck. So if that ain't freedom in a bag, you might be fresh out of luck, oh yeah. Look, if it fizzles, we'll just cheer louder. If it sparkles, we'll call it rain. If it tips over and chase Uncle Ray, we'll blame the wind, not my name. Hey! You want the whole 4th of July out the back of my pickup truck. I'll sell you dreams and cardboard sleeves, but I can't guarantee the kaboom, just the yucks. You want black cats, Roman candles, screaming whatever's all that wild. Lady fingers, buzz bottles, every boom since you were a child. Buddy, I got